My name is Shae Lewis. I'm a research scientist here at Prairie View A&M in the Department of Agriculture and Human Sciences. I'm also affiliated with the International Goat Research Center, the IGRC, and also the Cooperative Agriculture Research Center, the CARC. Most of the research that I do in the laboratory is actually here at the CARC, but we also have laboratories at the International Goat Center where we also house a herd of goat, both dairy and meat. We work with both Alpine on the dairy side as well as Spanish and Boer and Spanish Boer crosses on the meat side. The work that I do here at Prairie View, I'm interested in male reproductive biology. Two of the main projects I'm working on is one, trying to understand development of testes function in the goat. The second project that we're working on has to do with understanding fertility in adult male goats. One of the main things we're interested in is secreted microRNAs. We're interested in understanding what microRNAs are found in seminal plasma as it relates to the fertility status of the male. We're hoping to use these as fertility markers or biomarkers as indicators for potential fertility, either during a breeding soundness examination or as a potential additional tool for selection. The project focusing on male fertility would be of more immediate importance. Normally, goat producers will not keep the majority of the males that are born. Typically, one or maybe two animals may be kept, if any. The technology we want to develop is to allow producers to utilize current selection techniques. Typically, producers will use pedigree information, but also characteristics. They'll look at the animal. What we want to do is add another layer to this, another tool, and that being a diagnostic test. Our research will definitely be accessible to local producers that may have a small herd size, as well as producers that have hundreds of animals in their ranch. The utility and the power of the technology in terms of an selection, I think, will be tremendous because it will the utility, especially for the small producer, the amount of time and effort needed to raise animals with uncertain performance. What we want to do is add a degree of certainty or confidence that animals that are selected to stay in their farm or animals that are selected to be sold can have a certain value. Internationally, the goat is one of the most consumed meat. It's very important for not just food, fiber, and also dairy. In the United States, the goat as a product, as an alternative food source, alternative source of dairy, alternative source of fiber, is growing, which reflects the makeup of the United States.